That's super good. We're bringing the heat, baby.
You brought the heat.
Yeah, I did.
I brought the meat. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Have you ever had a Southwestern cheesesteak? Not like Southwest Philly, but Southwestern like my girl Amber from Griddle Up from Arizona. We're kind of collaborating. I do cheesesteaks all the time because I'm from Philly. You're not gonna wanna miss this. You're not gonna wanna miss this.
You're not.
No, why would you?
Don't. I mean, don't miss it.
This is the best thing you're ever gonna eat. All right, Amber, I love that you're on Griddle Crew. Where can everybody find you?
I'm on Instagram and TikTok, Griddle Up.
You gotta follow her. She's got tons of amazing recipes, and I just love your vibe, the way that you cook, the way that you talk to Griddle Nation. Let's start this Southwest cheesesteak with some Chipotle Mayo you're gonna make me.
So we're gonna add some mayo, we're gonna add some Chipotles and adobo, lime juice, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna give it a good mix.
This smells delicious. Let's slide that aside. On to veggies. Now, it's a little controversial to do peppers, but one thing I always do is an onion. Chop that up, slide it aside, and now let's talk about this poblano pepper. Am I saying that right, Amber?
Poblano.
I can't.
Poblano.
This is another word I can never say.
Yeah, the poblanos are perfect. They're a really mild, flavorful pepper, so it's gonna complement this sandwich.
You're just gonna chop it up the same as your
I'm
onions,
gonna chop
keep
it up.
everything uniform.
Rough it up. Let's get these on a hot griddle. We're gonna go down with a little bit of the Graza olive oil first.
One of my favorite oils. Swirl it around, grab your onions, peppers, let them start to blister and cook.
I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, toss them up, and then slide them aside.
Now onto the meat, which is the key to a really good cheesesteak. We've got shaved ribeye. Grab that, drop it down onto the griddle. Adding it into that oil that's already flavored with the peppers and onions is gonna flavor this up. We're gonna break it up, true Philly style with 2 spatulas, right?
True Philly style.
Once it's all chopped up, what are you gonna season it with? A little bit salt, pepper, and you're adding...
I'm gonna add the hatch chili and cheddar seasoning from Blackstone.
Now, I've never had this on a cheesesteak, so I'm really, really excited for this. Everything smells so good. Time to get everything incorporated, our veggie, into our meat mixture. Now, since this is a Southwest cheesesteak, I picked you up some pepper jack cheese, but I can't do a cheesesteak without the Cooper Sharp American cheese. This is my favorite.
I'm gonna toss everything together, let that cheese melt throughout.
Now make 4 piles because we've got some really good rolls, 4 seeded Licio rolls.
I'll place them on top of each pile. Oh shoot, we forgot the Chipotle Mayo.
It's all right, we can fix that. Grab that mayo, smear it all over every single roll. We're gonna let them hang out. Let the top of that meat get all crispy. What do we call that word? Caramelizing on the griddle. We'll grab our spatula, pull these off. Oh, I cannot wait. These are overloaded, just the way I like a cheesesteak.
We're gonna top it with this fresh pico de gallo. You can use store-bought, make your own. It's all gonna be good. Then we're gonna do a post dust of that hatch chili and cheddar seasoning right on top.
And now it's time to dig in. Are you ready, Amber, for this? I'm gonna go for this one right here.
I'm so excited.
Me too. I don't know if I should take the whole thing or if we should cut it. Maybe we should cut it. No? Jeez, look at this.
I don't know.
Look at this.
Just get crazy with it.
All right, cheers. Thank you for coming to cook with me. I love the Chipotle Mayo. This one is so good and a must try for everybody at home in Griddle Nation. Where can they find you again? One more time.
I'm on Instagram and TikTok. I'm Griddle Up.
Don't you love being part of Griddle Crew?
I love being part of Griddle Crew.
We love having her on Griddle Crew. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, Amber from Griddle Up. We will see you guys in another video next week.
Enjoy.
I do like that mayo. That's messy. I feel like we're gonna have a food fight.